Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. Today we compare Logitech G Pro X Superlight versus Logitech G Pro. So let's see full specification video. Design, build, body height, body width, body weight, body thickness, technical specification showing technical specification tracking showing tracking specification responsiveness showing responsiveness specification battery life showing battery life specifications requirements showing requirement specifications price showing price USD and INR. Thanks for watching. If you have buy this link in the description, also like, share and subscribe. Packages Compare.